Hi and welcome everybody, I'm the DIY Swede. This is part 9 of my home cinema. But this is a more unusual program because I'm going to build me a tray for my keyboard and mouse so I can maneuver my computer and home cinema from my chair. So I started to glue together some spare parts for my floor. Here I'm gluing on some oak parts, so it should be nicer on the edges. I want more contrast to the edges, so wanted to make them black, not the yellowish oak color. So I started to stain the wood, but it wouldn't take the color, so after some tries I ended up spray painting in with some metallic paint. I made the edges a little bit higher where the mouse should be, because I didn't want it to fall off when I carry the tray around. I made a short clip to illustrate this. It's in the end of this YouTube video. So here I gave up and spray painted them kind of a grey metallic color. I didn't paint the inner part of the edges, so that's why they are still some yellowish color, but turned out quite good, I think. Unfortunately, not the best focus. Like. Here I'm making some steering pins and gluing pins, so I shouldn't see the screw head. I wanted to make the underparts soft and squishy so it wouldn't scratch the side tables. Here is my daughter making a visit.
Ja, då hade jag bara, nu har jag ju bara en rad och så lite konstigt. Varför filmar du det där?
Nu kommer du med på
YouTube. This is the final result. Yes. Can't wait to try it. And this is the edge test. Would it stay on? Yes, think I managed. Yes, it works very good. Thank you very much for watching this episode. See you next time.